We gon' start this thing alright. Duval in the motherfucking house. Come on, come on. Hey, 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 do it, baby, take it, baby. Hey, 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 do it, baby, take it, baby. Hey, 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 do it, baby, take it, baby. Hey, 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 do it, baby. I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you niggas. I'm living my best life.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing a wig review this time for you guys. I haven't done a wig review in a while, so I figured let me just go on and talk about this wig. What this wig is called, the company name is Brown Sugar, and it's called a human style mix, and the number of this wig is called Bs136. So it wasn't a name. You know how some wigs come with like a name called like Cindy or Misty or something? No, this wig was called like Bs136. So of course, number one, I got it in black, and I got the bang style. Lately I've been wanting short hairstyles with bangs. It's because it looks more natural and looks like, you know, it's my own hair. So the review on this, I would say, is really nice. It's really human hair textured, you know. This feels good for a wig. The bang I don't care too much for because it's more thicker, on the thicker side, so I don't think I'd like that too much. But I think you can kind of, you know, fix it up by just messing with it, playing with it a little bit, or maybe cutting it to, you know, your desired style. So I want to do a 360 for you real quick and show you what it looks like. Is great. I think that if you would like to purchase it, go ahead and purchase it. It was $22.95 for this. I'm gonna leave a picture of this wig somewhere in this video, or probably on the thumbnail or something like that. But $22.95, and it's not a bad price, and it feels great. But like I said, the only thing I do not like about it is the bang and how thick it is. My other wig that I wear is very bob cut, like it comes down like this, and the bang itself is not as thick as this one. So yeah, go check ebonyline.com out, guys, and if you're interested in this type of hairstyle, it is great. It's great for, I think you'll even get away with it in the summer because it's not like a heavy type wig. So go check it out, guys. It's called Brown Sugar Human Hair Mix Bs136. So alright guys, thanks for listening to this review. I'll see you in another video. Talk to you.